Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share useful and practical advice for new parents. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the biggest challenges that you might face as a new parent: how to get enough sleep. Sleep is vital for your health, happiness, and well-being, but it can be hard to come by when you have a newborn who needs your constant attention and care. You might feel exhausted, irritable, stressed, or even depressed if you don't get enough rest. But don't worry, there are some strategies that can help you cope with sleep deprivation and improve your sleep quality and quantity. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best sleep tips for new parents, based on the latest research and expert recommendations. These tips will help you deal with the common causes of sleep disruption, create a comfortable and relaxing sleep environment, and get some extra snooze time whenever possible. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Plan night shifts in advance. One of the main reasons why new parents lose sleep is because they have to wake up several times during the night to feed, change, or comfort their baby. This can disrupt your sleep cycle and make you feel groggy and tired the next day. To avoid this, you can plan night shifts in advance with your partner or another caregiver. For example, you can take turns feeding, changing, or soothing the baby at night, or alternate nights so that each of you gets a full night's sleep once in a while. If you are breastfeeding, you can pump breast milk so that your partner can give a bottle to the baby at night. This way, you can share the responsibility of caring for your baby at night and get some more rest. Tip number 2. Jumpstart baby's internal clock. Another reason why new parents struggle with sleep is because their baby's internal clock is not yet fully developed. Newborns have no sense of day and night, and tend to sleep and wake up at random intervals. This can make it hard for you to establish a regular sleep schedule and get enough sleep. To help your baby develop a healthy circadian rhythm, you can expose them to natural light in the morning and keep them active and stimulated during the day. This will help them associate daylight with being awake and alert. On the other hand, you can create a calmer and darker atmosphere in the evening and reduce noise and stimulation before bedtime. This will help them associate darkness with being sleepy and relaxed. By doing this, you can help your baby learn the difference between day and night and gradually adjust to a more predictable sleep pattern. Tip number 3. Transform your bedroom into a total sleep sanctuary. Your bedroom should be a place where you feel comfortable and relaxed. To make it more conducive to sleep, you can follow some simple tips. 1. Keep your bedroom dark and quiet by using curtains, blinds, or an eye mask, earplugs, or a white noise machine. This will block out any light or noise that might disturb your sleep. 2. Maintain a comfortable room temperature by adjusting the thermostat or using fans or blankets. This will prevent you from feeling too hot or cold during the night. 3. Use aromatherapy or massage oils to create a soothing atmosphere. Lavender, chamomile, or jasmine are some of the scents that can help you relax. 4. Listen to soothing music or sounds like ocean waves or raindrops before bed too. This will calm your mind and body and prepare you for sleep. Tip number 4. Take baby on morning wake-up walks. One of the best ways to boost your energy and mood as a new parent is to get some fresh air and exercise in the morning. Taking your baby on a morning walk can have multiple benefits for both of you. 1. It can expose you and your baby to natural light, which can help regulate your circadian rhythm and make you feel more alert during the day. 2. It can increase your blood circulation, oxygen intake, and endorphin levels, which can improve your physical and mental health. 3. It can give you an opportunity to bond with your baby and enjoy some quality time together. Tip number 5. Create a relaxing bedtime ritual. Having a consistent bedtime routine can help you wind down and fall asleep faster at night. A relaxing bedtime ritual can include: 1. Avoiding caffeine, alcohol, nicotine, or other stimulants close to bedtime. These substances can interfere with your sleep quality and quantity. 2. Avoiding screens or electronics before bed. These devices can emit blue light that can suppress your melatonin production and keep you awake. 3. Doing some gentle stretching or yoga poses to release tension from your muscles and joints. 4. Practicing some deep breathing exercises or meditation to calm your mind and focus on positive thoughts. 5. Reading a book, listening to a podcast, or doing another non-stimulating activity that you enjoy. Tip number 6. Accept and ask for help. One of the most important things that you can do as a new parent is to accept and ask for help from others. Whether it's your partner, family member, friend, or babysitter, having someone else take over some of the tasks can give you a chance to rest and recharge. Here are some ways you can ask for help from others. 1. Ask your partner to watch the baby for a few hours during the day while you take a nap or do something for yourself. 2. Ask a family member or friend to bring you some food, do some chores, or run some errands for you. 3. Join a support group or online community of other parents who are going through the same challenges and can offer advice or encouragement. 4. Seek professional help if you feel depressed, anxious, or overwhelmed by your new role as a parent. Postpartum depression is a serious condition that affects many women and can interfere with their ability to bond with their baby and enjoy parenthood. Tip number 7. Nap whenever possible. Napping can be a great way to catch up on some sleep during the day, especially if you have trouble sleeping at night or feel exhausted from caring for your baby. However, napping too much or too late can also disrupt your sleep cycle and make it harder to fall asleep at night. To nap wisely, follow these guidelines. 1. Limit your naps to 20 to 30 minutes, as longer naps can make you feel groggy and interfere with your nighttime sleep. 2. Nap in the early afternoon, preferably before 3 p.m., as later naps can affect your circadian rhythm and delay your bedtime. 3. Nap in a dark and quiet place, or use an eye mask and earplugs to block out any noise or light. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you'll be able to conquer sleepless nights as a new parent. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity for you and your baby. So don't feel guilty about prioritizing it and asking for help when you need it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and share your own sleep tips or experiences. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, sweet dreams.